All right, so here we are. It is July 22nd. And just gonna go through here real quick, see where we're at. Not expecting a lot, but it's hot today. It's been hot all week. So, probably gonna be a little agitated. But let's take a quick peek, see where they're at up top. I don't think a lot's coming in. We're right, I would say the dearth, which isn't terrible, but it's not good either. I think they're moving honey in. You know, it's weird. So they're opening up cells and moving it closer, I do believe. Let's see. This one looks good. That one looks good. So we're getting there. You're seeing what I'm seeing. So I don't know. Today's I got a few hives that I could take a few frames from. So I want to just kind of see what we're at. I know I couldn't lose a box, not even close. Not sure if I want to wait a couple more weeks. But that one there's got fresh nectar. Right in there. This side. And right in there. Wow, fresh nectar, ladies. Are we moving it in? Maybe we are. Let me just scan down a little bit here. But yeah, I'd like to kind of get ready. More thinking of the fall flow right now. So this one right here, I could probably take because it's open. Once again, my hive's just doming it out. That's all open. Whew, it's hot today. So I'm not taking anything. Maybe next week. I'm gonna take a look in some of the other hives, see if it's even worth it. I know everybody wants a extraction video. Look at that though. That one's got some nectar in it. Looks good. Dome, they're filling the dome right there. I don't even know who these girls are anymore. So, that's it. Just kind of going through the motions, making sure, whoa, this one would go. So they do have a frame. They got a couple frames I could take. Maybe next week, I'll pull a few. I'll know for sure on this one on the end. Yeah, that one, not right there. But that one, that side, yes. This side, no. That side, yes, no. Maybe in a couple weeks. Hold on, little ladies. Let's just take a quick peek. If anything, you guys would like the top being off. Get some airflow. So, this one here is being capped. That is capped. That's being capped, being capped. So either they're moving it up. I mean, I know there is a few things blooming, but nothing to get excited about. Whew. Yeah, they're moving honey out. See this? This is an outside frame. Last week, there was a small little section that was taken out. So they're moving honey in. That's what it is. We don't have a flow. False alarm. So what they're doing is they're condensing their hive. Girls, just leave it where it is. Just bring more in. We'll be all set. But anyways, let's take a peek in the bottom box. Or middle. Super. Hold on. Hold on, girls. Hold on, ladies. It feels heavy, that's for sure. Oh yeah. All right. So this is one given completely brand new. Undrawn. They've had to work over time. So these are the ones I'm kind of excited to see. Because this hive here is literally giving, well, let's not count it chickens yet, but it's almost, I'll say almost. I think I can get away with that legally. Get away with, they've almost given me and then whatever's in here. 2 boxes, so 20 frames. Looks good. What are we doing here? So outer frame, drawn, not drawn, nothing in it. What's the trend here, girls? What's the trend? What are we doing? We're sucking in from the outside. Look at that. That looks beautiful. We're getting there. Okay, all right. Let me do a little smoking. What do we do here? Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, we're close. I would say, I'm not gonna do it next week, I don't think. But I'm gonna do one more harvest. Not a lot, I'm gonna say probably 4, maybe 5 frames. Half a box. In the next few weeks. And then get ready for the fall run. Start leveling out. I'm gonna on my strong hives, I'm gonna probably pull a frame or 2, brood, and kind of bump up some of the weaker ones. One of the ones I've replaced the queen. That looks good though. If they could just cap that. Whew, girls. Nice. Very impressed. Yeah, if they could just cap that, we'd be good. Like this one here. We're getting there. A couple more weeks. If that got capped, we'd be looking at maybe a full box. But this is all still kind of the spring honey. Early summer that came in. Just needs to be dried and capped. All right, I like it. I like what I'm seeing here, girls. That outer frame's drawn, but not anything in it. All right. Oh yeah. All right, so that was middle super. Super number 2. All right, girls, hold on. Hold the phone. Oh, yeah. Ladies, baby, oh yeah. Nice. Well, it definitely has weight to it. All right, now let's see what we got down here. All right, I'm having a hard time seeing the sun is literally in my face. So I'm actually not even gonna go through this one. All right, I'll pull a couple. You talked me into it. You here, let's take a peek. So this is a brand new box, and then every time I give them a brand new box with undrawn comb, I take 2 from the top and put it in the middle. So let's take a peek at those. They're actually drawing that one. So the 2 would have been probably these 2. So they're drawing that one. They're drawing that one. There's nothing in them though. So they definitely are moving everything up. I like that part. They have drawn space above them. So I'm not gonna complain. No complaints, ladies. So it looks good. They look ready for the fall. It's kind of weird to think about that. Almost the end of July, but for me, I want to start looking at the weather. I don't do my mic checks on camera because everybody yells at me. Everybody has their own opinion, and I don't push mine, but I show how I do it. But anyways, that's up for another discussion. So anyway, this is it. These girls look good. I'm gonna pull probably a couple frames in 2 weeks, maybe do a final harvest. Kind of put me in the beginning of August, and then that'll get me ready for the fall flow. Thank you for watching.